rug gebruiken.
Dit is dat Masters.
Are you alright there? Are you alright? Take a video for it.
That's a good question.
Sorry, it's fucking alright, mate.
Best game of rugby you've ever seen.
I've got a whole thing on video. Go on YouTube. I'm going to show Wild Fucker.
Well then.
He's not a trip to, man.
Cheese.